Good morning, friends. We have come up with Q1 FY13 preview for power sector. Within our coverage, we have taken power generation companies, and also we have taken transmission and distribution EPC contractors. Power generation to touch 231 billion units as per our estimates for this quarter, and growth that will be a growth of 6% over the year and 4% sequentially. By the time this quarter ends, we will be touching a capacity of 2 lakh, above 2 lakh megawatt. And energy deficit, however, energy deficit to inch up to 150 basis point YOY to 8.1%. Despite capacity addition, because of lower PLF, we think we should have an expansion on energy deficit by 150 basis point, and it should hover around 8% in this quarter. In the meantime, delayed monsoon has given a good time for merchant power players. Merchant power has always been shows a sign of decline by the end of this quarter, but this time it has been strong, and so it should be good time for merchant power players. Delayed monsoon has also given a good time because that by default inclined given an indication that hydro generation will be lower, so hydropower companies will have a lower volume. However, it also gives a positive thing for thermal power players, because usually on monsoon coal get wet, so a delayed monsoon will have a positive impact on thermal power generations. Giving on the numbers, our coverage utilities are likely to witness a healthy top line. Power generators are likely to, in total, likely to witness 15% of top line growth, while EPC contractor are look around 18-19% kind of growth. Except GIPCL, most of them are likely to show top line growth. GIPCL had some technical issues with that second lignite plant, which is getting resolved. So over compared to last year, it is likely to show a lower volume and a lower top line. However, on the margin side, we think power generator should sustain the margin, but EPC contractor are likely to feel a kind of pressure, and we have estimate around 100 basis point of margin contraction in both the players, Kalpataru and Jyoti Structure. In a contrary, in CSC, we think this company should have a better volume. One reason being higher demand from the DISCOM side, and at the same time we should also see impact of the tariff revision that has taken place by the company in the last quarter. So there should be a healthy top line and bottom numbers, it should reflect as a result of the tariff revision. Hence, effectively net profit of all generators are likely to grow by 13%. However, that of EPC are likely to be only 9% restricted to. Thank you from my side.